Hello and welcome to the Teams Network Shares setup. This is how to activate one of our Teams network shares to show up on your computer just like a normal network share such as Team Leads. So here you will find me in Teams. I open Teams. I find our 3DR Laboratory Technologists team, and I navigate down to the QA/QVal spreadsheet. What I find here is a chat about the QA/QVal spreadsheet. By opening the Files tab here, I can access the current online version shared of the QA/QVal 2021 spreadsheet. Now, this is one way you can access the spreadsheet. You can open and see all the data. One thing that does not work in this version is the Control Q. That is due to the fact that we are having to use Excel and the web in this window. To use the macros, simply click Open in Desktop app. As you can see here, we see our QA/QVal spreadsheet with the security warning macros have been disabled. We want to enable content, and here we now see we can do things like Control Q. Okay. Now, due to the fact that I've already synced this, you will notice I have autosave turned on up here. Also notice the gen can be seen here. Jen is also editing the sheet at this time. She is on master sheet D22. Here. Now, while convenient, this is not the exact way we used to use it. And because of this, Microsoft has allowed us a new method to make it look the old way. To do this, we want to open in SharePoint. Now, if you have the Teams window shrink, it may not show. It is behind the three dots. Open in SharePoint. This will open a new window, a Chrome window most likely. That will bring up a website saying SharePoint at the top that looks pretty much just like what you just saw. All we need to do here is click sync, wait for the little lady, some stuff flashes potentially, and you should end up with a new folder that looks like this. Inside of that folder somewhere, you will find the folder you're looking for, in this case, QA/QVal. And there we have the existing structure on our regular computer. In this little city looking thing that says Acumen Inc. Now, if this thing did not work, which we've seen, what we need to do is click here, click the OneDrive icon here, okay, in my case it's working, but what would happen otherwise is this. You would click that link that says OneDrive here, and instead of taking you to this page, which means it's working, it takes you to this page. You click Start OneDrive, check that, and hit Open. What will happen is this pops up. You sign in using your Okta credentials. I'm not going to do it because I'm already signed in. You sign in. What will then occur is that. Crap, can't do it. You will have a little blue. Let's see if this works. Yes, this will. You will have a little blue cloud that looks like him. Once you see a little blue cloud, you know that it's activated and working. At that point, you can simply go to your folder, find your Acumen Inc. thing, go find your folder you're looking for, in this case, QAQVal, and there the folder and structure sits. So if I just double click him and open him, you'll see I'm right back into that same document. Autosave's turned on, and Jen's still in here editing. This is a temporary thing that occurs. You can just exit out of it, and it will work. As long as autosave appears on, you're good. And any changes you make will sync with Jen and vice versa. So that's the basics of how to activate and use the QAQVal spreadsheet, and really any type of Teams file location to be used as a network share, such that we're used to as things like team leaders, flex text, auto reports, implementation drive, demo images, etc. Thanks.